What's up guys, I'm 7Beats and in this video I'm going to show you my new Latin drum sample pack. So I've added some really awesome cymbals right here. I've added some effects, so a lot of them. I've added some hi-hats which are really often used in reggaeton, for example. I've also added some kicks right here and some of regular ones which are often used in reggaeton tracks. I've added some palito right here, some percussions, and I've also added some snares, and I've separated them into 3 folders. So those high frequency snares, those some low snares, and some mid snares. And that's basically it. So make sure to download the free preview, the link is in the description, and see you guys in one of my next videos.